Hello, this is Peter Izzo from the House of Fins, coming in again this week with some really cool fish that we brought in, and some couple of oddballs, some really neat Halloween hermit crabs. So we're going to get into this, we're going to crack open these boxes and take a look at some really cool stuff that we have. So first off, these guys, we've got some Asian rummy nose. This is a Rasbora Savoir Resplendens. Really neat. When these guys get settled in, they have this bright blue sheen and a bright red nose. These guys are an awesome little nano fish. Some really good quality German blue rams. Nice size on these guys. Alright, let's get into some really nice guppies that we have today too. Let's look at these. These are some Dumbo Air Red Dragon guppies. Really nice quality, really beautiful. So looking forward to getting these guys acclimated and showing you at the end of the video what they look like in our tanks. Alright, another really neat fish. This is a Dwarf Pike Cichlid from Brazil. These are Crenocicla compressiceps. Really pretty neat fish. They get along relatively well with other fish. They just don't like themselves, so they'll fight with amongst them, with each other. But a good little community tank cichlid nonetheless. Now we get into this box. These guys are really neat. Some Halloween crabs. So these guys are like a terrestrial species of crab. Really pretty. Get him back in there before he escapes. Here's another one. A little bit different color, but very bright, vibrant animal. There's some more of those Dumbo Air guppies. This is a really neat fish. They call them, the common name is the Indian wasp fish. So these guys come from the Indo-Pacific region, a lot of coastal and estuarian rivers. So they can start off in freshwater, but as they get older, it's best to make them increasingly brackish. Alright, last but not least, these guys we're really excited for. It's the first time that we've had them in the store, and we have this bucket ready to put them in. Kind of hard to see, so we'll just get them right in. This is the Pipa Pipa or Suriname Toad. So these are a fully aquatic species. And the females will actually put the eggs on their back, and little perfect replicas will eventually hatch out. So really neat frog. So these guys are going to look really cool once we get them set up in a tank, and we'll have some pictures of those and videos later on. So that's it for our unboxing video for this week. So thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you next week.